students, are you dreaming to study abroad at top-ranked universities in the UK, US or Canada? Hi, I'm Prasanna, a student counselor at AIMS Education. I'm happily announcing that we are once again organizing the AIMS Study Abroad Expo 2022. You are invited to join this remarkable event at Grand Palace Hotel and Resort in Sylhet on 10th March 2022. Besides that, we are arranging another Study Abroad Expo at Hotel Sarina Dhaka on 14th March 2022. Do you want to know more about higher education? Our 100 university representative from the UK, USA and Canada will be part of this event to help you. Find out every details on the study opportunities, entry requirement, application process, scholarship opportunities, visa and immigration requirements, accommodation and much more by joining this event. Wait, the surprise has not finished yet. Our sister concerns AIMS Academy and AIMS English are also participating in this event with their alluring offers. AIMS Academy is offering up to 30% scholarship on all of the courses. If you want to be a pro in English, the AIMS English is also set you up to 50% discount on all of the courses. And what about AIMS Education? We are coming with up to 40% scholarship for you. So, join us at our Study Abroad Expo and click the link below to complete the registration. Till then, take care. Thank you.